Hello everyone. So today I will explain in the simplest way regarding the AI automations and AI agent. So first of all, both of the keywords has automations. So automation means to do something with repeatedly and with sometimes using brain and sometimes using our own memory. So AI automations. So normally we have some pre-programmed robots that follow the exact instructions for the repetitive tasks. What can agent do? Smart assistant that think, plan, figure out how achieve your goal independently. So uh, uh, in the later part we will see some example. So the basically main difference between the AI automations and not exactly AI automations, workflow and AI agent. Automation does not you tell it, but agent have a decidation power. So that's the basically key difference. Let's see a story. Suppose you are in the Black Friday. Suppose you have a Black Friday offer. The website crashed. So website crashed and customer become angry. And then customer going to the social media agent and so the agent detect the spike of the customer complaint and access angry levels and craft the empathetic response, and he just give me a discount or anything based on his previous story. Okay, so the outcome is brand reputation and protected through the adaptive response. So isn't handle everything on his own way. So uh, on the other hand, if I go into the workflow, suppose every Monday there's a lots of order. So the workflow, what he do, he pulls all of order from the database and verify the payment status and check inventory and generate shipping level and send the tracking emails and updates the order. So the outcome is 5,000 orders processed perfectly in 20 minutes. So this is the basically workflow. So if I going to see the image here, uh, so let's say scenario, e-commerce crisis management. So workflow, what the agent do: Black Friday website crashed, analyze the social media and real time, and craft the personalized empathetic response and varies and a very different type of discount based on customer order history. And then the brand reputations is perfect based on the agent. So here's the workflow. So workflow, what's the workflow do? He normally pulled all of this weekend database from the order and verify the payment status for each and check the inventory and generate shipping level. And then after that he just tracking and updates all of those things within 20 minutes. So this is the overall scenario. I hope all of you guys understood properly. So if I going to let's say work workflow versus agent use case. So agent normally use sometimes in the customer support and some research tasks, as well as we can use this personal assistant, code debugging, some unpredictable problems. But workflow normally we used predefined data processing and the batch operations and document extractions, quality check and repetitive tasks. So this is the basically way. So uh the agent have flexibility. You know that agent has different type of flexibility, decision making power, but a workflow has a structure. So agent have a structure, but he has a power for the flexibility, but workflow has more structure. So this is all for these videos. I hope all of you guys understood everything properly. uh yeah, thank you.